Hi everyone and welcome back. So as you can see, my eyebrows look like a mess in this one. So for today I'm going to show you how you can groom your eyebrows at home very easily and make it look a bit presentable like this. So we are just going to follow 3 easy steps and let's begin. So for this you will be needing a pair of scissors, an eyebrow razor. Now this is an old mascara wand that I have right now, and I'm going to use the spoolie brush part and the most important, tweezers. So to begin with, I'm going to brush the eyebrow hair in an upward direction so that I can see the excess hair that is not required. Now we are going to get rid of the unwanted hair with the help of a tweezers. I know this might look a bit painful, but trust me, it is not. It is way better than getting your eyebrows threaded. And I think this is a skill that I have learned during the lockdown, and I'm never going back to the parlor just for my eyebrows. For the next step, we are going to use the eyebrow razor and get rid of the excess hair that we have above the brows. Also, this helps you in shaping the eyebrows the way you want it. And last but not the least, you can get rid of the tiny hair that you couldn't pull from the tweezers. Moving on to step number 3, I'm again brushing my hair in the upward direction. As you can see, there is still some excess hair from upwards, and we are just going to cut it with the help of a scissors. And with this, your eyebrows are done. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.